Alright, so we got the switches installed right there, and they look pretty nice. Well, this one was already on here, but it was like all over the place. I showed you guys, and then this one was one that was dangling over here, so it'll move to the sides. I'm trying not to move it too much, so it's super glue it to work. Tighten in everything so it's a nice fit, and fog lights. This should be for the rear lights. Different ones. Oh, that blue one's probably as fuck. Okay. Alright. Let's see if fog lights work. Yes, they do. Now I'm excited for this one. See, there it is. Proud of my job. Alright, now let's make sure that the signal lights actually turn. Left turn. Left turn. Okay, let's see. And you guys were probably wondering, what about the brake lights? What about the hazard lights? Alright, well, let me show you guys real quick. That's the hazards. This is my favorite. Would you look at that? So I'm proud to say that this job has been completed. Actually, no, it hasn't. I just had to like put these wires. I'm probably gonna make a hole right here, make it run through here, so it can come out, and just have them all right here and set them all nicely. Short them, make them shorter if they need to be shorter, or make them longer if they need to be longer. They're all fine. And I'm gonna mount the fuse box probably here on the side. Have a cover on it. It's spill proof and all that in case something just happens to you. And yeah. So probably for the next video I'll probably uploading is brakes. So I mean I have to have this, which this is not nothing, it's not rocket science. It's just fill it in the trim. But what else? I have the fog lights, which I'm probably gonna be uploading too. What else? And this isn't that hard either. It's just plug in and play. But might do custom on it, might not. We'll have to see. Well, however, I am probably gonna be uploading the LED strip that I'm probably be adding under the hood. So I'll probably be having that one on the Switch too, just because I don't want to have it on the whole time on the hood. And yeah, so remember, all these products are for off-road use only. I am not responsible if something happens to your car, or if you think that you're Mr. I don't know it all, and something happens, you short something down, it doesn't work. This is what I do for fun on my own time, and this is what I'm going to be doing. So, see you.